No one wants their house to be visited by termites, right? However, these small, unwanted insects pop up when we least expect them. Termites mainly eat wood, but they can feed off of any other material that contains cellulose, such as paper, cardboard, live plants, etc. When they can't find anything to eat, they destroy other objects while trying to find food. It's been estimated that losses caused by these bugs amount to about $5 billion per year in the USA and Canada, which is more than the damages caused by Hurricane Katrina in New Orleans. Since they can destroy furniture and even entire homes so quickly, it's very important to know how to prevent them and what to do once you find them. Here are some tips that help prevent termites from appearing. Kitchen salt. Table salt is actually sodium chloride, which can be very good at cleaning and disinfecting. Furthermore, it can prevent termites from appearing. All you need to do is mix equal parts of salt and water and soak some cotton balls in the mixture. Put the soaked cotton on top of the furniture and around the affected areas. Cotton is mainly made up of cellulose and attracts the bugs, while the salt dehydrates them and drives them away. Boric acid. Boric acid is a chemical compound commonly used to treat infections, but it can also be used to get rid of termites. It's so effective that it can be found in several different insecticides made to fight off these intruders. It attacks the termites' nervous system, dehydrating them. Mix equal parts of sugar and boric acid and put it in little containers, bottles or jars with lids, around the affected areas. Do this for 3 to 4 weeks. This mixture also attracts and eliminates ants and cockroaches. It isn't poisonous in small quantities, but it can cause harm if large amounts are ingested. So try to avoid ingestion or contact with your eyes. Remember to keep it away from kids and animals. Essential oils. Over the last few years, people have been giving more value to the use of essential oils. However, they are mostly used in skincare. Most people don't know that they can also eliminate termites. The best oils for this purpose are orange, clove, cinnamon, mint, and eucalyptus. Pour some of the oil in a spray bottle and spray the affected areas. Vaseline. Another good way to get rid of termites is Vaseline. Vaseline isn't exactly a homemade termite poison since it doesn't kill them, but it serves as a repellent, a sort of protective barrier. It's recommended that you rub some Vaseline on your furniture and let it sit for 1 or 2 days. Then all you must do is wipe it off and polish it with a soft cloth. Apart from the tips, here are a few more recommendations. Check to see if your house has ventilation spots or areas that are humid and don't get much sunlight, and try not to leave furniture in those areas. Damp wood is one of termites' favorite snacks. Sweep up any dead leaves or plants since they attract termites. In the event that these tips don't help with your termite infestation, call a professional exterminator. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.